Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how you can take cheese, potatoes and eggs and make something really delicious out of it. It's called egg kabab. So let's go. Here's what you'll need. You can use any cheese you'd like and you can use a garlic ginger paste instead. Start off by peeling and mashing up the potatoes. Take about 2.5 tablespoons of oil and over medium heat add 1 teaspoon of cumin and the onion and mix till aromatic. Next, add the garlic, ginger and chili and mix well. Now take the mashed potatoes, dump them in there. Give it a stir as you get rid of the chunks. Once you're done, add the turmeric, salt and remaining cumin and you've guessed it, mix. Lastly, the coriander. Give it one last mix and take it off the flame to cool. Once cool, simply add the cheese, oregano and chili powder and combine it well. Grease your hand and then take a handful, shape it into a ball and flatten it. Place an egg and wrap it tightly. All that's left is to put it in the egg wash and breadcrumbs, and we're ready to fry this baby. You know how the first ones are always test runs, except kids? I'm a firstborn. Make sure the oil is hot enough to properly fry it from all sides. Once golden, take it out and serve. You can use any sauce you'd like, or you can make some homemade chutney. The link will be in the description below. And I would love to read your comments on this recipe. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell, and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit!